Welcome to our Ko Sichang adventure. We've just arrived at Koh Loi Pier, the main gateway to the island. Getting here is a breeze. You can easily take a taxi, book a grab, or hop on a local tuk-tuk. If you're driving, there's a dedicated parking area right here at the pier. Just a heads up, cars aren't allowed on the island, so you'll need to leave your vehicle here before heading to the docks. Once you're at the pier, you have two ways to cross, the regular ferry or a speedboat. The ferry is the most popular choice. It departs every hour from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. and at only 50 to 60 Thai baht. It's a total bargain. The ride takes about 45 minutes. If you're in a rush, the speedboat will get you there in just 15 minutes, but it'll cost you around 300 Thai baht or more. For this trip, we're taking the regular ferry. We love the steady pace and the fresh sea breeze. Plus, it's free seating, so you can pick your favorite spot. Pro tip, grab a seat by the side for the best views. As we set sail, I even caught a seagull gliding alongside our ferry. Such a peaceful moment. This is what slow travel is all about. After a relaxing 45-minute journey across the sea, we are finally docking at Koh Sichang Pier. Now that we're on the island, the first thing we did was call our accommodation. My wife reached out to the host we'd booked with earlier to coordinate our stay. We're here for a quick but exciting 2 days and 1 night. To explore the island at our own pace, we decided to rent a motorbike, which usually costs around 250 to 300 Thai baht per day. If riding isn't for you, you can also hop on a Skylab. These are the cool local motorized tricycles you'll see everywhere. A quick tip, make sure to bring enough cash, as most Skylab drivers and small rentals don't accept cards or digital payments. Also, if you're planning to visit the beautiful temples around the island, remember to dress modestly by covering your shoulders and knees. Once we got our motorbike, the representative from our guest house met us at the pier. We just followed them on our bike as they led the way. It's a great way to ensure you don't get lost in the small island alleys.
Island very big. Island very big.
The best part? It took less than 5 minutes to get there. We've officially arrived at our home for the next 2 days. Time to check in, drop our bags, and start the adventure.
Oh my god,ทำไม Which one? This one. Good. Three.
ฮัลโหลนะจะให้หนูเก็บค่ารถให้เหรอเท่าไหร่300รถอย่างเดียวใช่ไหมใช่ขับรถอย่างเดียวห้องเบอร์3เหรอ จะโอเคค่ะพรุ่งนี้ก็เช็คเอาท์ประมาณ11 โมงถึงเที่ยง
Take video. Take video. Beautiful house.
ก็กดตังค์ได้ตรงเซเว่นน่ะเซเว่นข้างล่างน่าจะพอแหละแค่นี้แหละขอบคุณค่ะ
ฟังครับ
เอาไปแล้ว
Now, let's take a quick look inside. We wanted somewhere cozy and convenient, and this place is perfect for our 2-day, 1-night stay. The room is clean, simple, and has that lovely island charm. It's got everything we need to recharge after a day of exploring. I especially love the vibe here. It feels so peaceful. We're going to settle in for a bit, but we won't stay inside for long. There's so much of Ko Sichang waiting for us outside.
You happy this house?
Yes, very happy.
Good, huh?
Yes.
The bed very big room, nice. Buy water better.
After checking in, we hopped back on our motorbike and headed to the western side of the island. The roads here are winding and scenic, leading us higher up the hills. We parked our bike at a quiet spot to catch the view. And wow, look at that. From up here, you get a breathtaking panoramic view of the ocean. The blue waters stretching out to the horizon are just stunning. It's the perfect place to just stop, feel the breeze, and take it all in.
Just like this. Oh, yes. Not bring it. Ui, hệ electric à? Electric à? Wow, people fishing.
มันเป็นประมงแม่ชาวบ้านอ่ะอันนั้นไม่ค่อยใหญ่โตเป็นเล็กชาวบ้านนะเพราะว่าที่นี่มันเป็นผลได้น้ำ
Oh,
Oh, same.
So,
Beautiful.
โอเคเอานอดอังเคอร์อังเคอร์แคร์ฟูลนะอังเคอร์โอเค
That's it for this part of the journey. We're going to spend a bit more time soaking in this view, but the adventure doesn't stop here. Stay tuned for the next part of our Ko Sichang trip coming up very soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, drop a comment below to say hi, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. See you in the next one. Bye.